In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix YouTube video not playing on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, give a first restart to your router. Next, check for app updates. For that, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Down Detector, then search for YouTube. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Next, you can completely delete YouTube app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the YouTube app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App and confirm it. Now navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube and download it. And that's it. With these, your YouTube video not playing on your device should be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.